Hello, everyone. Welcome to another English class from the module number 1. For today, we're going to talk about the unit number 8. And what's the number from this unit? From soup to nuts. From soup to nuts. So, what's happening according to this? We have this question. Look at the picture. And where are the people? Where are they? Where are they located? What are they doing? Okay, they are located at the supermarkets. And what are they doing? They are shopping. Yeah, look at this. Talk about common foods. Write a note about things that you need at the store. Read a menu. Order a meal in a restaurant. Use full measurements. Compare food prices. What is measurements? Measurements is when we're talking about quantities. How much, how many oranges, how much sugar, how much salt for this case. Read full labels. For example, what is the price for the bananas, for the pound of bananas? Talk about the nutritional value of foods. Plan a healthy meal. So, what are they doing? They are shopping at the supermarkets. Vocabulary. What do you know? What do you know about it? What can you see over here in the number 1? Number 1, what is the number 1? Number 1 is bread. What is number 4? Excellent. They are potatoes. What is the number 5? They are onions. They are onions. Yeah? So we're going to go discussing according to this one by one. Student A, name a food group. Student B, name 2 foods in the group. But before passing to this, we're going to pronounce the vocabulary. Remember, you have to repeat this vocabulary 5 times in your notebook. And we have common foods. Common foods. Bread, number 1, bread. Number 2, cereal. Cereal. Number 3, rice. Rice. Number 4, potatoes. Potatoes. Number 5, onions. Onions. Number 6, cabbage. Cabbage. Number 7, lettuce. Lettuce. Number 8, apples. Apples. Number 9, oranges. Oranges. Number 10, bananas. Bananas. Number 11, vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. The next one is butter. Number 12, butter. Number 13, milk. Milk. Number 14, cheese. Cheese. Number 15, yogurt. Yogurt. Number 16, chicken. Chicken. Number 17, fish. Fish. Number 18, beef. Beef. Number 19, eggs. Eggs. And the number 20, beans. Beans. Okay, what is beef? Beef is the meat from the cows, from the bulls. What is fish? From the marine animals, right? Or the animals that you can find in the rivers, in the ponds, in the lakes. This is fish. Yogurt, for example, most of the people like yogurt. Cheese. What is cheese? Cheese that we know, or that you apply the cheese into the baleadas, you apply the cheese with the pizza, etc. Cheese. Butter. This is the liquid, right? The liquid butter. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil that you apply to, or when you are what? When you're frying the food, etc. What else? Another one, lettuce is the number 7. Lettuce with the hamburger. This one, the number 6. Cabbage. Cabbage, for example, with the tacos, with the enchiladas. Cabbage. For this case, guys, what do we have over here? We have one activity. Groups of 4, student A, look at the list of foods on page 147. Choose a food, but don't say it. This student doesn't have to say this activity, doesn't have to say the word. Student B and C and the letter D also ask yes and no questions and guess the food. For example, do you eat for breakfast? Sometimes. Is it in the fruit group? Yes. Is it red? No. Bananas? Yes. Practically the student A guess the answer. Yeah? And what's happening according to this? Look at the food pyramid. The colors show the amount of food that you need from each food group. For example, we have the color red. What are the fruits in color red? The apples. In color yellow, bananas. Yeah, in color green, we have the lettuce, or we have the cabbage, etc. And according to this amount of colors, they are the different colors, or they are the amount that you need for your body or to be healthy. Okay, show what you know. Which foods do you eat? Fill in the U columns in the chart. Write one food from each food group and write how often do you eat, for example, bananas? How often do you eat vegetables? How often do you eat meat and beans? So we're gonna go doing the action or the activity over here. For example, this is about you. What do you eat, or what vegetable do you eat? What vegetable do you eat for dinner, for breakfast, for lunch? What vegetable? And you choose potatoes. Yeah, I eat potatoes. Yeah, look at this, potatoes. How often do you eat? How often do you eat potatoes? ¿Cada cuánto o qué tan a menudo usted come, en este caso, papas? Twice I eat potatoes. Twice a week. 2 veces a la semana. Y si solamente fuera una vez, once a week. Y si es de 3 veces, 4 veces en adelante, entonces vamos a decir 3 times a week. Do you get it? That's easy. Okay, talk about the foods that you eat. Okay, remember, this is about you and this is about your classmate. For example, I'm gonna ask to another person that is next to me, to another classmate that is next to me, and I'm gonna ask, hey sir, my friend, come here. How often do you eat a vegetable? How often do you eat fruits? Yeah? And you're gonna ask, what's the first one? What's a fruits do you eat? And you write over here. I eat apples. Yeah, and you write apples over here. How often? How often do you eat apples? Twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week. Yeah, in this space, you're gonna go completing. And according to your classmate, cuando usted le pregunta a la otra persona, a su compañero, por eso dice aquí partner. Cuando usted le pregunta a su compañero, entonces completan de acuerdo a lo que yo le diga. Meat and beans. Recuerden que meat is when we are talking about the meat from the chicken, the meat from the porkies, the meat from the cows, the meat from other animals, right? And beans is when we are talking about grains. Ya, the beans, estamos hablando de los frijoles. ¿Cada cuánto comen frijoles? ¿O qué comen para, qué vegetal comen, qué fruta comen, qué carne o frijol? O en este caso grano podríamos decir que comemos. Ajá, I eat beans. Yo como frijoles. And you're gonna go completing in this space. Okay, what vegetables do you eat? ¿Qué vegetales usted come? Potatoes. How often do you eat potatoes? Twice a week. What kind of vegetables? ¿Qué tipo de vegetales? What kind of vegetables? For example, lettuce. What else? For example, cabbage, etc. Agnes eats potatoes twice a week. So I hope that this is so clear for you, and let's continue with the next lesson. Lesson number 2, talk about foods you like and don't like. Listening and speaking. Before you listen, we have this audio. This is the audio number 19. We're gonna read this information. It's 12. It's time for lunch. Jason is hungry. He is at the mall. Jason likes hamburgers, so he eats a hamburger, but he is still hungry, so he eats a piece of pizza. But he is still hungry, so he eats a taco. It's now 12:30. It's time for dessert. Where is Jason? Where is Jason located, guys? Where is Jason located? Jason is at the mall. Jason is at the mall in the number 1. How does he feel? Jason feels, Jason is hungry. Hungry is when you want to eat pizza, when you want to eat hamburgers, when you want to eat a lot of food. Hungry, hungry. The next one. Jason is hungry. Located over here. What does he eat for lunch? So he eats a hamburger. He eats a hamburger, but he is still hungry, so he eats a piece of pizza. He eats a hamburger or a piece of pizza. So, and what's happening for the lunch? It's now 12:30. It's time for dessert. Yeah? So he eats a taco. We have another information for the lunch. En el almuerzo, ¿qué come él? So he eats pizza, hamburgers, and taco because he is hungry. Él está hambriento. The next one, listen, look at the picture. Marius and Gabriela are friends. Guess, what are they talking about? We're gonna listen to this audio number 20.
Page 148. Listen. Exercise B.
Wow, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. What do you want for lunch?
Pizza. I love pizza. What about you?
I don't really like pizza, but I love tacos.
Okay, who is hungry? Marius and Gabriela, right? What does Marius want for lunch? What does he want? He wants a hamburger, right? And what does Gabriela want for lunch? She wants tacos. Let's listen at this one more time.
Page 148. Listen. Exercise B.
Wow, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. What do you want for lunch?
Pizza. I love pizza. What about you?
I don't really like pizza, but I love tacos.
So what are they talking about? They are talking about the food, right? About the food that they want to eat. And for example, who is hungry? Marius and Gabriela, right? This is the letter C. What does Marius want for lunch? He wants pizza. And what does Gabriela want for lunch? She wants tacos, the letter B. Now let's listen to the audio number 21. Pay attention to this audio.
Page 148. Listen. Exercise C.
Wow, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. What do you want for lunch?
Pizza. I love pizza. What about you?
I don't really like pizza, but I love tacos. And look, there's a taco place over there.
Sounds good. But wait a minute. It's not time for lunch.
No?
No, it's only 10:30.
So forget about lunch. Let's have pizza and tacos for breakfast.
For breakfast. Let's have pizza and tacos for breakfast. This is the letter A, right? You're gonna complete it. This is during the morning. Breakfast during the morning, lunch during the midday, and dinner during the evening or during the afternoon, approximately at 4 or 5 p.m. Lunch at 12 from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. And breakfast from 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., etc. Okay, listen and read the conversation, then listen and repeat. This is the audio number 22.
Page 149. Conversation. Listen.
Wow, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. What do you want for lunch?
Pizza. I love pizza. What about you?
I don't really like pizza, but I love tacos.
Listen and repeat.
So for this case, guys, what's happening? They are hungry, right? Marius and Gabriela are hungry. In a few words, we can check this. Okay, practice. Make a new conversation using the words over here. For example, we have breakfast. Let's go repeating. Breakfast, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, pancakes, pancakes, dinner, dinner, stick, stick, pasta, pasta, dessert, dessert, cake, cake, cookies, cookies. Okay. What do you want for breakfast? And the letter B or the student number 2 says pancakes. I love pancakes. What about you? I don't really like pancakes, but I love scrambled eggs. But I love scrambled eggs. Or for example, what do you want for dinner? Steak. Steak. I love steak. What about you? I don't really like a steak, but I love what? I love, for example, pasta. Pasta. Yeah. Lesson number 3, talk about common foods. Okay, let's talk about the count nouns and non-count nouns. For example, Gabriela wants a taco. She loves tacos. I want pasta. I love pasta. In this case, we are talking about the non-count nouns. Is when you don't count this or when you cannot count this. When you don't say 1, 2, 3, pasta, it's impossible. This is uncountable. Uncountable noun, pasta. And this is a taco is 1, it's countable. 1 taco. And tacos is when we are talking about 2 tacos, 3 tacos, 4 tacos. They are countables. 1, 2, 3, 4 tacos. So you can count some nouns and they are called count nouns. For example, 1 taco, 2 tacos. You can't count some nouns and they are called non-count nouns. For example, 1 pasta is impossible. That is a big mistake. 2 pastas is impossible. For a list of common non-count nouns, we are going to see on page 274. For example, on page 274, we have different non-count nouns. En esa página tenemos diferentes sustantivos que no son contables. Por ejemplo, tenemos lo que son los líquidos, liquids, cuando estamos hablando de los lácteos, de los derivados de la leche. When we are talking about, cuando hablamos del dinero, uncountable, etc. Yeah. For spelling rules for plural and count nouns, we're going to see on page 274 according to this. Okay, let's check. Vámonos a la página 274, 274. And we're going to check the different assignments and the different rules for this page. According to the page 274, what do we have over there? We have over here the list of nouns. Tenemos el listado de sustantivos. Recuerden que cuando estamos hablando de comida, food, drinks, school objects, activities, and others, they are uncountables. Esos son sustantivos que no se pueden contar, ¿verdad? Por ejemplo, cuando hablamos de la carne de res, del pan, butter, mantequilla, cake, cereal, chicken, chocolates, fish, ice cream, lettuce, oil, pizza, rice, salmon, shrimp. Shrimp es cuando hablamos de los camarones. Soup and yogurt, they are uncountables. Todos esos son incontables. Drinks, coffee, juice, milk, soda, tea, water, they are uncountables. School objects, art, English, history, maths, music, science, they are uncountable. Activities, basketball, homework, laundry, soccer, they are uncountables. And others, air conditioning, chalk, electricity, furniture, hair, information, luggage, money, news, paper, transportation, and whether they are uncountables, yeah? And for the non-count nouns are singular. Todos los sustantivos que no son contables son singulares. No van a decir coffee are. Es imposible. Tienen que decir coffee is. Juice is. Milk is. English is. La clase de inglés, English class is. No van a decir English class are. Es incorrect. Basketball is. Spelling rules for plural count nouns. We have, for example, most nouns we need to add the letter S. A la mayoría de los sustantivos tenemos que agregarle la letra S cuando es contable. Add ES to most nouns that ends, for example, in CH, S, SH, and X. For example, watch, watches. Guess, guesses. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Potato, potatoes. Change the letter Y to I and add ES to nouns that ends in a consonant en Y. For example, cuando decimos baby, babies, cambiamos la Y y le ponemos I latina más ES. Y plus ES. City, cities. Change the letter F to B and add the letter S. For example, when you say knife, cuchillo, knives. Wife, wives. Change the letter F to B and add ES. For example, you say love, loves. Shelf, shelves. Ahí tenemos que cambiar la letra F por la V cuando convertimos de singular a plural en sustantivos contables. Countable nouns. Ok, tienen que aprenderse este cuadro de la página, estos dos cuadros de la página 274, 274, study them, estudiarlos. Complete the shopping list. For example, we're going to look at the pictures and complete them. For example, we have 4 oranges, 6 eggs, 6 huevos, 6 eggs. And we're going to write over here. Let me check. 6 eggs. Black what? Black beans, frijoles negros. What else? Apple. We have apple juice, jugo de naranja. Apple juice. The next one is what is the next one? Too large. Let me check. 2 large onions. 2 large onions. 2 cebollas largas. What else? We have banana, yogurt. Banana, yogurt. What is the next one? Banana yogurt. 3. Let's look at this. 3 what? 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. What else? We have over here 5 green apples. 5 green apples. And we're going to go complete them related with the information over here with the pictures. Okay, let's advance with the next one. And what do we have for the next page? Practice. Look at the pictures, complete the conversations, write the correct form of the word. We have apples are good for you. I know I eat an apple every day. Es singular, en singular, ¿verdad? Sin la S. An apple every day. ¿Por qué lleva la N? Porque comienza con vocal. An apple every day. The next one, I love eggs. Me too. I often have 2 eggs for breakfast. Do you have any Do you have any whats? Let's look at this picture. Do you have any? Stick? Of course, I always have stick in the house. It's in the refrigerator. Stick. The next one for you is about I eat rice every day. Yo como arroz todos los días. Me too. I love rice. I love rice. So, in this case, what do we have? En la imagen no sale claro, pero cuando vemos en el libro sabemos que aquí es cheese, ¿verdad? Cheese. O puede ser también butter. También estamos hablando ¿de qué? De sustantivo incontable, ¿verdad? Ahí el que ustedes quieran poner. Pueden poner cheese. De acuerdo a la imagen tenemos, cheese. O también podrían poner butter si quieren ustedes también. Lo más ideal es ponerlo de acuerdo a la imagen, according to the picture. Yeah, according to the cheese. The next one is talk about common foods. You have 5 minutes. Write foods according to the color. For example, yellow, bananas. Yellow, pineapples. What else? Yellow what? Yellow, another fruit in this case. And white what? White, apples. No, right? It's incorrect. White rice. Arroz blanco. ¿Qué más tenemos? White eggs, huevos blancos. What else, guys? White onions, cebolla blanca. White onion. Red apples. That is correct. What else? Red apple juice, for this case. Red beans. Si en vez de poner frijoles negros, podemos decir red beans, frijoles rojos. The next one, green. In color green, we have green pears, pera verdes. What else? Green apples. What else? Green what? Another one. Green, for example, cucumber, green cabbage, etc. Green lettuce, lechuga verde, pepino, repollo. ¿Y con el repollo cuál sería? White cabbage. White cabbage. So, for this case, guys, we have you have 5 minutes. Write foods for each color. For example, in yellow, we have yellow bananas. What else? Yellow bananas. Yellow yogurt banana. Or yellow, yellow pineapples or pineapples, as you can say this. Okay, you have 5 minutes. Write foods for each color. For example, you say yellow bananas, yellow pineapples, todo lo que sea color amarillo. White onions, white rice, white eggs, huevo blanco, arroz blanco, etc. Red apples, Another one in color red. We can say red beans. En vez de decir black beans, frijoles negros, podríamos decir red beans, frijoles rojos. Green apples, yeah. Green cucumber, green lettuce, lechuga, ¿verdad? Lechuga verde, in color green. You're gonna go comparing them. Okay, compare the answers. What foods are yellow? Bananas. Cheese. And what else? The color yellow. For example, the pineapples, right? We don't have the pineapples over here, but that doesn't matter. We already know this. Lesson number 4. Read about expiration dates on food. Before you read, look at the pictures. What do you keep each food? Write each food in the box for the place that you keep it. For example, we have the freezer. Into the freezer we have the ice cream. What else? ¿Qué cosas podemos guardar en el freezer? Chicken. Yeah, chicken. In the refrigerator, we have, for example, the milk. Podemos guardar milk. What else? We could keep the eggs. Podemos guardar los huevos, the eggs. In the cabinets, into the cabinet, we can keep the cereal. What else? Potatoes. Into the counter, we can put, what can you put over here? Beans. Or you can put milk. Si ustedes no ponen congelar la leche, entonces la ponen into the counter, right? The milk. Okay, guys, you're gonna classify, van a clasificar todos los productos que están aquí, de acuerdo a lo que hablamos, according to the information that I gave you before. So, we have this article about Eat Fresh. Read the article, and we're gonna go checking this. We are on page 20. This is the page 153, the audio number 23. Listen to the article, guys.
Page 153. Read.
Eat fresh. Do you buy fresh food? Are you sure? Be careful. Stores sometimes sell old food. Check the dates. How long can you keep your food at home? Here are some tips. Milk is good for 2 to 10 days after its sell-by date. Eggs are good for 3 to 5 weeks after their sell-by dates. Just keep them in the refrigerator. Chicken is different. The sell-by date on chicken is information for the store. The refrigerators in stores are very cold, but your home refrigerator isn't as cold. Cook or freeze chicken a day or two after you buy it. You can keep chicken in the freezer for 12 months. Some food, like canned food, doesn't have a sell-by date, but it isn't good forever. Try to use your canned food in 12 months.
Okay, read the article again. What is the main idea? Make sure food is fresh, check the dates, or put your food in the right place. Keep milk in the refrigerator. What is the main idea? Good job. It's the letter A. Make sure your food is fresh. Check the dates. Read the sentences, circle true or false. According to the information over here, stores sometimes sell all food is true, right? It's okay to keep eggs on the counter for 3 weeks. No, right? It's false. You have to keep this into the refrigerator for 3 weeks. It's okay to keep eggs on the counter for 3 weeks. It's false, we said. It's okay. Okay, the number 2, it's okay to use milk 2 days after its sell-by date. What do you consider? Yes, right. It's true. It's good for 2 or 10 days after its sell-by date. The number 4, it's okay to keep chicken in the refrigerator for a week. No, right? The chicken has to be in which place? ¿Dónde tiene que estar el pollo? It has to be in the freezer, right? Into the freezer. canned food is good for 1 year? Is true or false? Is true, right? Try to use your canned food in 12 months. Puede aguantar las comidas enlatadas, canned food, pueden aguantar hasta 1 año. 12 months, 12 meses. I want to check the dates on the chicken in my refrigerator. Yeah. Now let's advance with the next. This is about the lesson number 5. Order a meal in a restaurant. Order a meal in a restaurant. Lesson number 5. Order a meal in a restaurant. Listening and speaking. Before you listen, you're gonna look at the pictures and you're gonna identify the different words that implies eat or drink. For example, when we are talking about coffee, it's something that you drink. And what are the activities that you do every day? For example, I drink coffee every day. I'm gonna put a check mark over here. If you eat French fries, you're gonna put a check mark. So we're gonna go repeating one by one. Tomato soup, coffee, turkey sandwich, fries, soda, baked potato, hamburger, iced tea, green salad, fruit cup, apple pie, ice cream. So you're gonna identify, for example, which foods do you eat or drink? I eat hamburgers, I eat green salad, I eat apple pies, and I drink soda, I drink coffee, I drink tomato soup. Go identifying using a check mark. Number 2, what do we need to do? Look at the picture. Greg and his wife are ordering lunch. Greg says, I'd like a hamburger. What does this mean? I'd like, listen to me, I'd like a hamburger. I'd is equal to I would like. I'd like is equal to what? I would. It's the same, yeah? Es lo mismo que decir I would. Let's go repeating. I'd like is equal to I would. I would like a cup of coffee. Me gustaría tomar una taza de café. ¿Ya? I would like a cup of coffee. Es lo mismo que decir I'd like using the apostrophe with the letter D at the end, ¿ya? Using the apostrophe. I'd like or I would like a cup of coffee. So, what is the correct one? The correct one for this case is that he wants a hamburger, is the letter B. He wants a hamburger. Él quiere una hamburguesa. Es lo mismo que decir, me gustaría una hamburguesa. I would like a hamburger. Listen to the audio number 24. And what do you need to do? We're gonna listen to the conversation. Was your answer in exercise A correct? You're gonna check this. And then you're gonna listen one more time. And what does Greg order? Check the pictures in before you listen. Look at the picture. What are they doing? They are ordering. Ellos están ordenando. Let's listen to this audio.
Page 154. Listen. Exercise C.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like a hamburger and a soda.
Is that a large soda or a small soda?
Large, please.
Okay, a large soda. Anything else?
Yes, a small order of fries.
A hamburger, fries, and a soda? You know, that's not very healthy. What about vegetables?
Well, there's lettuce on the hamburger.
Okay. And what about fruit?
You're right. I need fruit. I know. I'll have a piece of apple pie, too.
Okay, what does Greg's wife think? ¿Qué es lo que piensa la esposa de Greg? That's hamburger and soda are unhealthy. Que no son saludables, ¿verdad? Are unhealthy. And what else? What does Greg order for dessert? For dessert, listen to the audio one more time. Escuchemos el audio.
Page 154. Listen. Exercise C.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like a hamburger and a soda.
Is that a large soda or a small soda?
Large, please.
Okay, a large soda. Anything else?
Yes, a small order of fries.
A hamburger, fries, and a soda? You know, that's not very healthy. What about vegetables?
Well, there's lettuce on the hamburger.
Okay. And what about fruit?
You're right. I need fruit. I know. I'll have a piece of apple pie, too.
What about the dessert? We have that in this case, Greg asked about the apple pie, right? So in this case, he asked or he ordered apple pie for what, guys? For dessert. For dessert, yeah? ¿Qué pidió de postre? Apple pie for dessert. And you can complete the information related with them. So let's advance with the next one, guys. Conversation. Can I help you? Yes, right? Okay, give me 1 second. So we have this information related with the conversation. Can I help you? Yes. I'd like a hamburger and a soda. Is that a large soda or a small soda? Large, please. Okay, a large soda. Anything else? Yes, a small order of fries. Practice the conversation, then make new conversation, use the menu. Can I help you? Yes, I'd like, what is the food? I'd like tomato soup and what else? And soda. Is that a large soda or a small soda? Large, please. Okay, a large, a large what? A large iced tea. Anything else? Yes. A hamburger. Yes, a hamburger. In this case, for that reason, remember the food is hamburger, chicken sandwich. They are into the sandwiches. Starters, they go at the beginning. Starters son las entradas. Tomato soup, green salad. Sides, baked potato, fries. Desserts, los postres, desserts, apple pie, ice cream. Fruit cup. Into the drinks, what do we have? Dentro de las bebidas, soda, iced tea, coffee. En este caso, él bien pudo haber pedido, en vez de haber pedido una entrada, pudo haber pedido también un chicken sandwich, a hamburger, etc. Let's continue with the next lesson. This is order a meal in a restaurant. Order in this case is the action. For example, when you talk to the waitress, when you talk to the waiter and you ask, what do you have for the menu? Can you show me the menu or can you pass me the menu to check the answers or to check the different things, the different foods, the different drinks, the different desserts? Choice questions with or. Choice, if for example, when you need to apply the or when you are saying, or you travel to San Pedro Sula, or you travel to La Entrada de Copán. You have two options and you have to choose only one. This is choice. Choice questions with or. For example, would you like coffee or tea? I would like coffee. And what about you? I suppose that you would like tea. Do you want a large soda or a small soda? I want a large soda. What about you? You want a small soda. What about this one? Would you like coffee or tea? Tea, please. Do you want a large soda or a small soda? I want a large soda. I want a large soda. Grammar watch. Some questions with or are choice questions. Answer with your choice. Don't say yes or no. For example, complete the questions. Use words in parentheses. Do you want chicken soup or salad? Chicken soup or salad? Would you like a fish sandwich or a hamburger? Would you like a fish sandwich or a hamburger? Do you want fries or a baked potato? Do you want soda or juice? Would you like ice cream or apple pie? Would you like ice cream or apple pie? In choice questions with or, the voice goes up on the first choice and go down on the last choice. For example, when you say, would you like ice cream or apple pie? Do you want soda or juice? Do you want fries or baked potato? Would you like a fish sandwich or a hamburger? Yeah, you're going to identify the two sounds. Do you want soup or salad? Listen and check your answers, then listen and repeat. This is the audio number 28, right? Give me 1 second.
Page 156. Practice. Exercise B. Listen. 1,
Do you want chicken soup or salad?
2,
Would you like a fish sandwich or a hamburger?
3,
Do you want fries or a baked potato?
4,
Do you want soda or juice?
5,
Would you like ice cream or apple pie?
listen and repeat. 1,
Do you want chicken soup or salad?
Did you get it, guys?
2,
Would you like a fish sandwich or a hamburger?
3,
Do you want fries or a baked potato?
4,
Do you want soda or juice?
5,
Would you like ice cream or apple pie?
Okay, excellent. In this case, we have an activity in couples. For example, student A says, you're a waiter. Student B, you're a customer. Student A, ask student B the questions in exercise A. Yeah? And student B, so in this case, write students B's answers on the order path. This is the order path. For example, report the class. Maria wants chicken soup, a salad, and a hamburger. This is one example that you can complete in this part. Now we have the next part according to the page 157. We have compare food prices, real food labels. What does it mean, label? Label is, for example, when you see the price on the food, when you see the price on the fruits, on the vegetables, and this costs, for example, 3 pounds per $1, 4 pounds for $2, etc. Look at the ad for Farmer Tom's. Listen and repeat the prices and amounts. Look at the ad for Country Market. Listen and fill in the prices. Farmer Tom's, and we have the Country Market. For example, let's listen to them. This is the audio number 30 and the audio number 29.
page 157. Compare food prices. Exercise A.
$2.99 a pound. 69 cents a pound. $2.79. $1.49 a pound. 79 cents a pound. $3.19.
Okay, after listening these audios according to the different pounds, now you're gonna complete the country markets. Let's listen to the audio number 30.
Page 157. Compare food prices. Exercise B. 1,
How much is the chicken?
It's $3.29 a pound.
2,
How much are the bananas?
They're 99 cents a pound.
3,
They are 99 cents
How much
a
is the
pound.
yogurt?
It's $3.85.
It's $3.85.
4,
How much are the apples?
They're $1.99 a pound.
$1.99 a
5,
pound.
How much are the onions?
They're 89 cents a pound.
89
6.
cents a pound.
How much is the bread?
It's $2.59.
It's $2.59. One more time.
Page 157. Compare food prices. Exercise B. 1,
How much is the chicken?
It's $3.29 a pound.
2,
How much are the bananas?
They're 99 cents a pound.
This is 99 cents a pound.
3,
How much is the yogurt?
It's $3.85.
It's $3.85. The yogurt.
4,
How much are the apples?
They're $1.99 a pound.
$1.99 a pound.
5,
How much are the onions?
They're 89 cents a pound.
89 cents a pound.
6,
How much is the bread?
It's $2.59.
It's $2.59. Okay, now we have the practice part. Look at the prices and the else again. Where is each food cheaper, or what is the cheaper food for this case? Circle the cheaper price. What is the cheaper price? Look at this. What is the cheaper price? When we're talking about the cheaper price, ¿cuál es el más barato? Huh? Where is each food cheaper? In this case, we have, look at this. Which one? What is cheaper? ¿Cuál es el más barato de todos esos? Esos definitivamente no, right? Ajá. This one or this one? Which one of the two? ¿Cuál de los dos es el más barato? ¿El de 69 centavos, el de dólar la libra, o el de 1.49 dólares la libra? Obviamente es 69 cents a pound. This is the bananas. The bananas are the cheapest. So, two friends are comparing prices at the two stores. Listen to the conversation, then listen and repeat. This is the audio number 31.
page 157. Practice. Exercise B. Listen.
Where are onions cheaper, Farmer Tom's or Country Market?
Farmer Tom's. They're 79 cents a pound.
Where is bread cheaper, Farmer Tom's or Country Market?
Country Market. It's $2.59.
Okay, guys.
Listen and repeat.
Practice this.
Where are onions cheaper, Farmer Tom's or Country Market?
Farmer Tom's. This is cheaper, right?
Farmer Tom's. They're 79 cents a pound.
Where is bread cheaper, Farmer Tom's or Country Market?
Country Market. It's $2.59.
Okay, good job. Practice the conversation, then make new conversations. Use different foods from the else. For example, you can include pears, you can include pineapples, you can include stick, you can include what else? Cherries, strawberries, etc. Now we have the activity number 3. Talk about nutrition. How do you stay healthy? Here are some tips. Tips to stay healthy. Let's go repeat it. Tips to stay healthy. For example, don't eat a lot of fats. Don't eat a lot of fats. Don't eat a lot of sodium. Don't eat a lot of sodium. Don't eat a lot of sugar. Para mantenerse saludable, no tenemos que comer muchas frituras, a lot of fats, consumir mucho sodio o consumir mucha azúcar. ¿Ya? 12 calories. This is the cauliflower. 300 calories, a hamburger. Can you see the difference? It's the right number of calories. How many calories can you eat? Every person is different. Talk to a doctor or nurse. Practice. For example, look at the pictures. Check with a check mark the foods that are healthy. For example, bananas, beans, they are healthy, right? What else? Salads, they are healthy food, etc. You can choose. And the French fries are unhealthy. Son insaludables, ¿verdad? Pancakes are unhealthy, etc. Talk about your answers in exercise A. For example, student A says, green beans are good for you. Why? Because they don't have fats. Student A, ice cream isn't good for you. Why not? Because it has a lot of fat and sugar. The ice cream. Which healthy foods do you usually eat? I eat a lot of beans. Really? Well, yo como rice every day. Yo como arroz todos los días. What about you, Lee? I eat bananas twice a week. Como bananas 2 veces a la semana. I eat beans every day. Como frijoles, en este caso frijoles negros o frijoles rojos. How many? ¿O cuántas veces? Twice a week, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, etc. Now we have this activity. Food labels give you important information about the food. Look at this label for bread, then answer the questions. For example, we have letter G is gram or grams. It's plural, yeah? Gram, los gramos, el gramo o los gramos. Gram, grams. Mg, milligram. Or milligrams. Milligrams. Look at this label for bread, then answer the questions. For example, serving size is equal to the amount you eat at one time. This is the serving size. The amount is the quantity that you eat every time. For example, 2 slices of bread, 2 rebanadas de pan. Nutrition facts, serving size, 1 slice. Serving per container, 18. Calories, 90. Total fat, 1 gram. Sodium, 180 milligram. Sugars, 3 grams. Nets, for this case, or what is the total net in this case? Is 1 pound. In this case, 8 ounces. Nets is equal to the net white. Net white. Net weight. Ese es el contenido neto, ¿verdad? Net weight is equal to how much full is the container. The next one for you is how much is one serving? One slice. One serving is one slice. How many serving are in the package? How many serving? Servings per container, 18. 18. How many calories are in one serving? Calories, 90. How much fat is in one serving? Total fats, 1 gram. 1 gram. How much sodium is in one serving? Sodium, 180 milligrams. How much sugar is in one serving? Sugar, 3 grams of sugars. Right? Look at the labels. Which drink is better for your health? Why? Nutrition facts. Serving size. Over here we have the amounts. Servings per container. We have 1. Calories, etc. You're gonna go completing. And you're gonna say that, what is the name of this? We have the different drinks. You're gonna go comparing and complete this assignment. It's better for your health because you're gonna choose what is better for your health. ¿Cuál sería mejor para su salud? What is this one or this one? You're gonna check them. Van a chequear, van a comparar, you're gonna compare. Y van a decir que si es esta, you're gonna write the name, van a escribir el nombre aquí. It's better for your health. ¿Por qué motivo? Entonces, porque tiene 0 calorías. 0 de sodio. De azúcar solamente tiene 16 gramos, mientras que este tiene 33. La soda. Comparado con esta, ¿ya? You're gonna check them. Now we have the lesson number 8. Plan a healthy meal. So according to the lesson 8, plan a healthy meal, listening and speaking. Before you listen, look at the pictures. Which other foods are steams, grills, or fries? What does it mean steams? If, for example, through the vapor. Yes, steams, vegetables, and this produces vapor, or this produces the water vapor. Grills, for example, grills the steak, grills chicken a la parrilla. Fried fish, cuando estamos hablando de todas las frituras, con aceite, with the oil. Steams, vegetables, grills chicken, fries fish. Listen to the radio talk show, answer the questions. For example, what is the talk show about? What information does the caller want? And does he get the information? Listen to the audio number 32.
Page 160. Listen. Exercises A and B.
Good morning. This is Hannah Charles with Greenville News Radio. You're listening to The Food Show. Do you have questions about food? Well, call and ask. Now, here's our first caller.
Hi, Hannah. I'm Greg Johnson. My wife says that I don't eat healthy food. She says, eat more fruit and vegetables. But I'm a meat and potatoes man.
Okay, Mr. Meat and Potatoes. Tell me, do you like chicken?
Sure. I eat a lot of chicken.
And do you like grilled chicken or fried chicken?
I like grilled chicken and fried chicken.
Okay. Now, let me ask you a question. How many calories are there in a piece of fried chicken?
I don't know.
250 calories.
250 calories?
That's right. But in a piece of grilled chicken, there are only about 100 calories. So the choice is easy. The next time you have chicken, eat grilled chicken, not fried.
Grilled
Okay,
chicken.
that's not so hard.
Now another question. This is about potatoes. How much fat is there in an order of fries? Do you know?
A lot?
You're right. There are 15 grams of fat in a small order of fries, but there's no fat in a plain baked potato. That's 15 grams in the fries and no grams in the baked. But remember, no butter. So the next time you have potatoes, think baked, not fried.
Wow, I don't believe it.
Yes, and one more thing. Listen to your wife. She's right. Those vegetables and fruit are good for you. Thanks a lot for calling the Food Show. We have time for one more call. Let's take caller number 3.
Okay, guys, what's happening? What is the talk show about? This is about the food show. What information does the caller want about the healthy food? But at the end, she gave him the information that the grilled chicken is better than the fried chicken because this contains a lot of fat. Does he get the information? Yes, he does. Yeah? Yes, he does. We have the different answers over there. Now let's continue with the next one. This is the audio number 32. This is the same audio. You're going to complete. Answer the questions in the chart about each food. How healthy is it? Fried chicken, how many calories? How much fat in grams? We have 12 grams and we're going to check the calories. Grilled chicken, how many calories and how much fat? French fries, small, how many calories? 290 calories. And how much fat? You're going to complete over there. And baked potato, how many calories? 130. How much fat? You're going to check. Listen to this.
Page 160. Listen. Exercises A and B.
Good morning. This is Hannah Charles with Greenville News Radio. You're listening to The Food Show. Do you have questions about food? Well, call and ask. Now, here's our first caller.
Hi, Hannah. I'm Greg Johnson. My wife says that I don't eat healthy food. She says, eat more fruit and vegetables. But I'm a meat and potatoes man.
Okay, Mr. Meat and Potatoes. Tell me, do you like chicken?
Sure. I eat a lot of chicken.
And do you like grilled chicken or fried chicken?
I like grilled chicken and fried chicken.
Okay. Now, let me ask you a question. How many calories are there in a piece of fried chicken?
Fried chicken, how many calories?
I don't know.
250 calories.
250 calories.
250 calories?
That's right. But in a piece of grilled chicken, there are only about 100 calories.
100 calories.
The choice is easy. The next time you have chicken,
Grilled
eat
chicken is
grilled
better, right?
chicken, not fried.
Okay, that's not so hard.
Now another question. This is about potatoes. How much fat is there in an order of fries? Do you know?
A lot?
You're right. There are 15 grams of fat in a small order of fries, but there's no fat in a plain baked potato. That's 15 grams in the fries and no grams in the baked. But remember, no butter.
Okay.
So the next
This one
time you
doesn't
have
contain,
potatoes, think baked, not fried.
Baked
Wow.
is better than
I don't believe it.
fries. because
Yes,
fries
and one
contains
more thing.
a
Listen
lot of
to your
fats.
wife. She's right. Those vegetables and fruit are good for you. Thanks a lot for calling the Food Show. We have time for one more call.
For the reason French fries are unhealthy and the baked potato is better, right? Look at the pictures. Plan a healthy dinner for Greg. Choose from the pictures. How about salad, a baked potato, and fruits? No, he needs meats. How about, for example, choose one. How about beans, apples, and fruits for this case? Oranges, etc. It's better, right? You have to choose those pictures because they are healthier than the others. Yeah? Check them. Conversation, and let's look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Which of these foods do you like? For example, we have this audio. 33.
Page 161. Conversation. Exercise B. Listen.
Let's have chicken for dinner.
Okay. How much chicken do we need?
2 pounds.
Okay. And let's have salad with it.
Good idea. We have lettuce, but we need onions.
How many onions do we need?
Just one.
Just one, right?
Listen and repeat.
Practice
Let's have chicken.
Practice this conversation and then make new conversations. Use the pictures. Make it personal. First, plan an interesting salad. For example, let's put nuts in the salad. Okay, and how about avocados? Oh, I don't like avocados. Let's put a mango in it. Tell your classmates about the salad. Our salad has nuts, mango, avocados, tomatoes. What else? Lettuce, garlic, cucumbers, etc. Yeah, nuts. Let's go repeat it then. Shrimp, turkey, ya sabes que es pavo. Shrimp, los camarones. Salmon, roast beef, tomatoes, red peppers, cucumbers, pepinos, avocados, shrimp, turkey, salmon, roast beef, tomatoes, red peppers, and the next one is cucumbers and avocados. Remember that the roast beef es cuando estamos hablando de la carne asada, ¿verdad? Roast beef. Let's continue with the lesson number 9. Plan a healthy meal. Simple present questions with how many and how much. How many eggs do we have? Or how many eggs are there? A lot. A lot es una cantidad grande, ¿verdad? ¿Cuántos huevos hay ahí? ¿O cuántos huevos tenemos? Do we have? Bastante. Es contable, por eso utilizamos el how many. Use how many with plural count nouns. Para sustantivos plurales. Entonces, y que sean contables, utilizamos el how many. How much es para sustantivos no contables, ¿verdad? How much. For example, how much milk do we have? How much milk is there? Recuerden que todos los sustantivos que son incontables van en singular, con el is. How much milk is there? How much milk do we have? A lot. Tenemos bastante leche, ¿verdad? How many eggs do we have? Or how many eggs are there? A lot or not many? No mucho. Not many. No tenemos muchos huevos. How much milk do we have? A lot or not much. O no hay mucha leche. How much milk is there? A lot or not much. Let's go repeating. Not much, not many. A lot, A lot. Cuando estamos hablando de cantidades grandes. Look at the pictures, read the answers, and complete the equations with how many or how much and a noun. For example, how many oranges are there? Not many. We only have 3 oranges. 3, look at this, 3 oranges. Ok, not much. Desde el momento que vemos not much, ya sabe que es incontable, ¿verdad? How much qué? How much milk do we have? Not much. Let's get more milk. Necesitamos, conseguir más leche. Conseguiremos más leche. What else? 12. We don't need more. ¿Qué tenemos? 12. Contemos qué es lo que hay 12. Y entonces, si son 12 huevos, entonces sería, how many eggs are there? 12. We don't need more. There is no cheese. Put it on the shopping list. Entonces sería, how much cheese is there? ¿Cuánto queso hay ahí? How much cheese is there? Not, there is no cheese, no hay queso. Put it on the shopping list. Ponga esto en la lista de compras. Put it on the shopping list. The next one for you is how many, desde el momento que vemos 6, ya sabe que es contable, ¿verdad? How many, what? How many potatoes are there? For example, ¿cuántas papas hay ahí? How many potatoes are there? 6. And they're big. Great. Let's have baked potato tonight. Baked potato. Did you get it, guys? Okay, look at the pictures again. Continue the conversation in exercise A. Ask about other food in the refrigerator. Yeah, for example, we have apple juice. We have steak. We have chilies. How much orange juice is there? There's a lot. We don't need orange juice. How many apples? How many apples? Only 1 apple. We need more apples. So you're gonna put it in on the shopping list. Okay, guys. Now you're gonna do the review from the unit number 8. And then this is all for today. Thank you for watching, and let's see you in the next class. Goodbye.